So right now I'm going to pull the cam cover off, check our pinion bush here, see how much fit we got, and then go back and forth a couple times. And I got to make the cam reamer fit also. I can do both at once. Kind of a back and forth deal. Definitely have these screw holes broken in really nice. Come right in and out real easy. And the fun part is going to be getting this off of here. So, I'm going to take a piece of wood, stick it in here, and whack it, and bring it up a little bit, and it'll come out like that. So usually I keep an old wood handle laying around over here. My drawers down here for that purpose. Yeah, they might look like these. That way you don't do any damage when you break stuff off. Let's see, we'll use this one for now. It also fits through here, so I can whack it over here also. Just use your plastic hammer. So first pop the cover up a little bit right here. And blow this up a little bit. So you can see I'll lift the cover up a little bit, especially on this side, and I'll hit it over here. Because this dowel over here is what's holding over here, and you can see how this one did not come up any. Now I'm too far blown up. So we got to hit it on this side to bring this one up. A little bit on each side, and it comes right up. If you try to force it all on one side, you're going to break stuff. So this one we just put over here. Whack. That was a soft hit, whatever I was pushing on there. There you go. Parts flying off of here. Okay, so that hit brought the cover up a little bit right there. Let's see, it's more on this side right here, so I'm going to keep hitting on this side to bring it up. A little at a time, it'll come up. Good solid hit. That popped up a pretty good amount there. I'm going to go back on this side, just give it a little light hit. Yeah, because I'm going to pop. It doesn't want it coming up on that one. You hit it where the dowel is. The dowel's the problem, so you got to hit it right next to where the dowel is. It does not want to come up at all. Kind of weird. Came up before, not today. Okay. I'm seeing where the binding is right now. We're working on a flat blade, we're not digging it in, we're just lifting up and down lightly. There's a gasket in there too, it might be under, might not, I don't know. So I can see it's sticking on this bushing right here. So, I'm going to put a little bit of lube on the bushing here. Dowel, both of them. doesn't want to come off, so instead of keep beating and beating and beating trying to get off, push it back down, let it flatten out, let it self-center again, and try it again. Okay, wipe off our lube. These dowel pins have machine marks on them, and it bites in like little finger marks. It holds in hard, so got to kind of get things to wear in a little bit. Okay, I'm going to try this again. So again, that side popped up pretty nicely. Get this one. Popped up really good again. Go back on this side over here. It already feels like it's going to come right off. Problem is you're beating right against the side of the bench. Let's hit it from this direction. It popped up. You heard it. Still a little snug. Loose on that side. It's digging in on this side. Here it kind of grind up a little bit as it came up. So when it comes up, it kind of wants to lead this side a little bit further than this side is, a little bit higher. But it comes off. After you do that a few times, these surfaces will wear down slightly. The sharp edges where there's a grab and hold, those sharp edges. That's what you're digging onto. When you machine stuff, you get that. Even though I kind of made them as smooth as I can, they're still rough machine marks. Okay, so that one's up. I can stay there, I guess. Okay, now I want to see how tight this bushing is. Let me bolt the grit out. Okay, there's the finish. We're getting inside the hole right here. Wipe off any excess. Put this on in our pinion snot here and see what kind of clearance we have now. Just a little bit. Check each plane. So this we're going to top this side and go over this to 90 degrees. Feels the same on both. It's got just a little clearance in there. That's probably only about 1 thou or so. So that's pretty good. So I'm happy with that number right there. So I'll live with that. We got a really nice finish inside of here, which looks nice. It almost looks like a hone finish because I was going in and out with the reamer. And the reamer's pretty sharp, so did a good job. Alright, so I'm good with that one. So now I got to do the cam side. So I'm going to take this and machine this down to fit into this bushing over here as best I can. So I got to cut this down right here, whatever it takes to get it to go down. So I got to figure out how much that's going to be because I don't know yet, and I have to do a little machining to do that. All right, let's see what diameter we have. So this was made for roller bearing, not for, or needle bearing, not for bushing. Okay, so we got 11 on the mic right there. We have a fitment pin right here, a gauge pin. That means you take the diameter that you know what it is, you stick it in there. See how it's a nice fit like the cam cover? So now we measure this, and we know we need to make that reamer smaller than this. And see, this one reads 11 right on the money. Same as the other one, but the reamer didn't fit. It's like a quarter of a thou bigger. Yeah, see, it's on a high 11. It was 11 even. This one's a high 11, so this is 1 to 2 inches bigger. So instead of trying to machine that, I'm going to put my external hone on here, hone it back and forth until I get down to probably a quarter thou smaller than what the cam was. So I'll be 9 3/4 on my mic, or 10 3/4 on my mic instead of 11. Basically taking a half a thou off, and we'll come back. Or we'll show it. Yeah, we can show it too, I guess. I'll get the parts.